ang ano niyan, mataas yung...
We've got 16 seconds, but we have two winners for this round. The 12 seconds and of course you, sir. Congratulations!
Nahahagpo sila nila mga nakabibili rin. Malayo kayo.